Hi, this is Nicole Black. I'm here in New Orleans at the Louisiana State Bar's Solo and Small Firm Conference. I'm here with Catherine Sanders-Reach. She is the Director of Law Practice Management and Technology with the Chicago Bar. Welcome.
Thanks, Nikki, and thanks for having me.
My pleasure. What I wanted to talk to you about today was retirement and succession planning. I'm wondering how often do lawyers approach you about these topics?
Well, you know, as the boomers are getting ready to retire, I'm getting a lot of questions and a little bit of stress about the attorneys who are looking for how can I shut down my practice, and a lot of them seem to be wanting to bring on associates, get them trained up, and then kind of give their practice over to them, which I think is fantastic, but they're a little trepidatious for a really funny reason. They say they're not using technology and they feel like bringing in a young attorney is going to be someone who's going to be looking for technology.
Well, so what tips do you give them to help them sort of bridge that gap?
So for one thing, I tell them, you know, use the technology that makes sense for your practice. You don't have to add every single bell and whistle. The thing that I think is most important when they're looking at bringing someone in is something that helps them capture their workflow so that the new associate can see, how does this practice area work? How do you bring in a matter? How do you close a matter? And the whole process throughout. It also helps them kind of keep in pace with each other in terms of, you know, they're sharing cases now. So anything from a practice management system to, I've even helped people build those types of things in Microsoft OneNote. Just anything that can be shared that can involve checklists and workflows and seeing where you are in a matter, I think is really important. The other thing is that oftentimes these attorneys will have been using an AOL or a Yahoo account for a really long time, and so I try to get them to get a domain, get a hosted exchange or a Google for Business, so that they have a better shared communication, shared calendar, all that kind of stuff.
Okay, those are some really great tips. Thanks so much for sharing. This is Nicole Black. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you next time.